Welcome to Product Critique, your destination for in-depth, honest reviews of the most compelling products on the market. Today, we're talking about what may very well be the best cello outfit for beginner players in full size. The DZ Strad Model 300 Handmade Cello. Whether you're a student, a parent of an aspiring musician, or someone picking up the cello for the first time, this model offers an unbeatable combination of craftsmanship, sound, and value. Let's take a closer look. Right out of the box, the DZ Strad Model 300 makes an elegant impression. This is a handcrafted cello, made with aged tone woods that are carefully selected to produce a warm, rich sound. The top is carved from solid spruce, while the back and sides are crafted from beautiful flamed maple. A visually stunning instrument that sounds even better than it looks. Now, what sets this cello apart for beginners is that it arrives as a complete outfit. You're not just getting the instrument. You're also receiving a durable hard case for safe transport, a Brazilwood bow with genuine Mongolian horsehair, and quality rosin to help you get the best tone from the start. Everything a new cellist needs is right there in the box. The setup is also worth highlighting. The Model 300 is professionally set up, which means the bridge, sound post, and strings are adjusted and ready to play. No need to visit a luthier just to get started. That saves time and money, and gives beginners a more rewarding first experience with the cello. Playability is key when you're just beginning. The Model 300's fingerboard is smooth, and the action, that's the height of the strings above the fingerboard, is perfectly balanced to make playing comfortable without sacrificing tone. This encourages longer practice sessions and smoother progress for students. Sound-wise, the DZ Strad Model 300 delivers a full-bodied tone with impressive resonance. It has the kind of deep, mellow low end you'd expect from much more expensive instruments, along with a bright and clear upper register. Whether you're playing slow, lyrical passages or faster technical pieces, this cello responds beautifully. Now let's talk about durability. Beginner instruments need to withstand daily use, transportation, and the occasional bump. The DZ Strad Model 300 is built to last. The varnish is hand-applied and not only gives the cello a professional finish, but also protects the wood against wear and tear. This model is full-size, that's 4/4, which means it's best suited for adult learners or taller teens. But DZ Strad also offers smaller sizes for younger players in the same range, so no one's left out. While it's not the cheapest cello out there, what you're getting in return makes it one of the most valuable purchases in the beginner instrument category. When you factor in the craftsmanship, the professional setup, the quality of accessories, and the sound it produces, the DZ Strad Model 300 easily justifies its cost. It's not just a purchase, it's an investment in musical growth. To sum it up, the DZ Strad Model 300 Handmade Cello outfit is a standout choice for any beginner. It offers exceptional quality, sound, and reliability at a price that reflects true value. If you're starting your cello journey and want an instrument that will support your progress and inspire you to keep playing, this is the cello to consider. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trusted reviews on instruments, tech, and gear that matter. See you in the next one.